Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Pashvika. Welcome to GLOBO Magazine page channel where we make content for artists and creative entrepreneur. In today's video guys, we're going to be talking about the Zazzle, what mistake I did with the Zazzle, and if you're also doing that so you don't repeat that mistake, and what you can do more to make more money with the Zazzle and everything regarding I can talk about the Zazzle. So let's get straight with that. Before going good part, consider clicking the like button. I really appreciate that, and if you want more such video, consider subscribing because I'm gonna be making more such videos. And also if you want the free graphics, free KDP interiors and patterns, then I have a bunch of the free resources. The link is in description box below, or you can simply head over to globocreative.com and click over to the freebie section and download all the freebies containing the full commercial license, and make sure to check it out each month because we will be adding the each month. Now let's talk about the Zazzle and what mistake that I did. Now regarding the Zazzle guys, I have already made a bunch of videos talking about getting my first sale onto the Zazzle, how to make a shop on that, and I'm gonna leave the complete playlist of the Zazzle in the card section above for you guys to check it out. Now what mistake I did, I got my first sale back in 2020, I think late 2020, I don't really remember the month. You can check that video if you want to know more about it. And I get the sale onto the mouse pad, like someone purchased my mouse pad, and that mouse pad was a textured mouse pad because I usually make my designs as a textures. And yeah, so the one mistake that I did was I took Zazzle as another print-on-demand website. Yes, that was a major mistake that I did because when I was getting started with this platform with the Zazzle, I was completely new to it, and I thought that it is also another print-on-demand platform and you can make the money by that, and you just need to upload your designs onto different products and to optimize your title, tag, description, and do all those basic stuffs as you are doing on the Redbubble and Teepublic, and you can get the sales. But Zazzle is a print-on-demand website. Of course, it's a print-on-demand website, but if you are just throwing your designs onto the different products onto this Zazzle and thinking that they're gonna sell, no. It's a little bit different. Allow me to explain how it's different. Like if you go onto the Zazzle and see the different products, you're going to see they have the bunch of the different products, and most of the sales are getting onto the paper products like the cards, the invitations, the thank you cards, the different kinds of the stickers, the magnets, the buttons. All these are selling well into the Zazzle. And if you're just throwing your design onto any product onto the Zazzle without thinking for a second that whether this design actually going to look good on that product or not, then you probably not be making sales. And that mistake I did. After getting my first sale, I thought that hey, it's a print-on-demand website, I can like place my designs onto the different products and I can sell the way I'm doing it on other print-on-demand platforms. But recently I saw that I was making a big mistake. People go onto the Zazzle to buy the print-on-demand products, and also they have the full customizable option on that design. Like if you go onto the Redbubble, Teepublic and all that, the people just go and buy the print-on-demand product. That's all. They just go buy and stickers and that's all. They don't need to do anything apart from that. But onto the Zazzle, people come to purchase a print-on-demand product as well, and apart from that they are customizing that design. If there's something like about your design, if you are making a floral texture and they like that floral texture and they want to use it and they want to edit that design according to them, they're gonna customize your design as well. So this is the new feature that Zazzle has, which is not there in any other print-on-demand website, which makes Zazzle completely a different platform. Although it's a print-on-demand website and it's free to join and all that, but there is a big thing. You need to make the designs that look good onto the product, which is the very first important step. If you're making your own card, then obviously you need to write all those things that you do ideally for a card. If you're making an invitation, then obviously you need to make an invitation according to it. You can't just throw your sticker design onto the card and thinking that it's gonna sell. No. It sells, I make the money from that, but then I realized that there is a big mistake that I was doing. I was not optimizing it well because I was thinking that it's a print-on-demand platform. No, but then I did my own research and actually find out what the Zazzle is all about and how you can make more money on that. Then I came to realize that Zazzle is a completely different print-on-demand platform. You can't take it as another print-on-demand platform. You need to give it a little bit more attention and in a different way. You can make a good amount of money. There are the people who are making 6-figure and 7-figure currently onto Zazzle. Yes guys, they are making the big money because Zazzle have like the designer, they give the designer a high priority. Like if you are making a good sales, they're gonna give you a pro badge, and then your pro badge will going to increase, like the pro bronze, the silver, then the gold, then the diamond, platinum, and so on and so forth, depending on how many sales you're bringing to the platform. But there are the designers who are in the pro diamond, who have made the 7-figure onto the Zazzle, and they're making a big money onto the Zazzle. So it's possible to make big money on the Zazzle, but you need to play your cards right. And I got the few sales in that shop. In that shop, I was a bit messed up because I was uploading the design and thinking that it's another print-on-demand platform, so it's gonna sell. Few of them sell, they sell very well, and I made the money from that. But after that, it didn't get sold because I did the mistake, because I was taking this as another print-on-demand platform. So I am going to start with a new shop onto the Zazzle, and we're going to strictly follow the rules of the Zazzle of making your products onto the Zazzle. We're not going to just take it as a random print-on-demand website, no. So I'm starting with a new shop. The old shop is there, it's messy. So I'm just gonna leave the shop like that only. I'm gonna be starting with a new shop and focusing on that new shop and uploading the new product to that shop according to the Zazzle platform. We're going to optimize each and every product as it is, the way it's there onto the Zazzle. So don't take Zazzle as another print-on-demand platform, guys. You need to optimize each and every product onto the Zazzle. You need to make even a separate product. For example, you are making a separate product as a card, the sticker, the invitation, the pillow cover, or even the apparels. Like, you need to make a separate product and optimize it according to it. The designer tool in the Zazzle works pretty amazing. It helps you a lot. Let me know in the comment section below if you want me to make a more video regarding how to use the designer tool in the Zazzle and how to make your own design out of it. Because recently I researched a lot and I'm learning a lot, so I know how to make use of that designer tool so far, and probably I'm gonna make a video related to that so that it can help you guys as well, and you don't repeat the mistake that I did taking Zazzle as another print-on-demand platform. So that is the big mistake I did. So I'm gonna make up a new shop onto the Zazzle with the fresh new designs, with the fresh new products, and we're going to actually making the products according to the Zazzle to get the visibility more on the Zazzle and to make more sales. So that's my thinking about the Zazzle currently. Realizing my mistake and learning from my mistake, and then opening up a new shop just for the sake of the Zazzle only, and uploading the design and using the designer tool to optimize my products on their products, and doing the research, the tag, title, description, because you need to do your research because there is a big competition of the Zazzle. There are millions of products onto the Zazzle, so you need to do your research, what kind of title, tag, description, and all that. Also you need to promote it. So this is a little bit I'm talking about the Zazzle, but do let me know in the comment section below, guys. Have you made the same mistake or not, which I did? And if you did, then that's okay. We can learn from our mistake and we can improve our mistake and find the solution into it. That's what I did. I'm just leaving my old shop and I'm gonna again start my new shop onto the Zazzle, and we're going to make the products according to the Zazzle. Specifically taking Zazzle as another platform where I can sell my products rather than taking it as a print on demand. So that's my new thinking about the Zazzle, but do let me know what you think. And also, guys, tomorrow I'm gonna upload another video talking about the Zazzle, and we're gonna then hop on to laptop and I'm gonna show you how the different designs have been optimized on different products and how many products are there onto the Zazzle and how you can create this product. I'm not taking this as another print-on-demand website, in fact taking it as your business, because there are so many big brands out there onto the Zazzle, like the Warner Brothers, the Disney, so many different big brands are there currently selling onto the Zazzle. So it's a brand place. You can create your own brand, you can create your own business. It's not a hobby, it's not another print-on-demand website, so don't make that mistake which I did. And I'm making a new shop specifically keeping in mind with my own brand and making the product that are related to my own brand. So tomorrow I'm gonna make another video and we're gonna show you in the next part that how you can create these products, and also what are the different products that are selling well onto the Zazzle, and creating these products and not taking it as a print-on-demand website, because you can take it as a print-on-demand. It's a print-on-demand website only, guys, but it's a more different platform where you can sell your any products and create your own brand around it, create your own unique shop, the pattern, texture, whatever you want to do with your own shop, and creating a branding around it. So stick with me, guys, for the next part of the video that will be coming tomorrow. And that's it for today's video, guys. I hope you really find it useful and enjoyable. Do let me know in the comment section below what you think. Thank you so much for tuning in today's video. See you for the next time. Take care. Bye, guys.